Welcome to my review of motorcycle gloves. You have so many choices today of how many gloves you should have, what types of gloves, and so on. As you can see behind me, I have 5 gloves plus one liner as well. I'll start off with summer gloves. You've got 2 different types of summer gloves. These ones here are Dainese. I've had these for probably 4 years. They're soft, very durable. They wear very well. They are not waterproof, and they take quite a while to dry. Very, very comfortable on a nice hot day. However, they do not hold water, and also on a cold day they're very, very cold. The reason I have so many gloves is because when you do ride in rain, which happens up here in the mountains almost once a week, the gloves do get wet. So as I'm a daily commuter, I need to make sure that I've got dry gloves. So while one is drying, I'm wearing the others. You'll notice that I have them all hanging up so they can air dry. Do not dry your gloves in oven, just let them air dry and they'll last for a long, long time. I recently purchased these gloves, which are made by a company called Five. This company only makes gloves. They are exceptionally comfortable. These ones are 100% waterproof. As you can see, they've got all the protective knuckles, a nice soft leather, a nice cuff. As again, it's 100% waterproof. It has a waterproof membrane between the leather and the inner. What happens when they do get wet, however, is the outside and the leather is still wet. So on a cold and wet day, very, very uncomfortable. But they do dry relatively quickly, so that is not a major issue. Another glove that you may want to get is the gauntlets. I have two gauntlets. These are a inexpensive pair. As you can see, they have all the protection that you require. They're very, very comfortable. However, not waterproof. Again, a problem once they're wet, but you can put inners inside too if your fingers are too cold, because they're not the warmest gloves, but they are very comfortable, very lightweight. My latest purchase, which I got last week, these are probably one of the nicest gloves I've bought. They Alpinestars gauntlet, waterproof, and surprisingly very, very warm, considering they're so thin. I haven't yet ridden them in the rain to see how long the outer takes to dry, but I have no doubt that it will have the same problem, that you need to dry them up between, and hence I have the different gloves that I can wear on different days. One last thing I'd like to add to this is, if you do ride in cold climates and cold weather, it's essential to keep your hands warm. Rather than try find a really thick glove and lose sensation of feel in your fingers while you're riding, what I do is I use these ski inners. These particular ones I got from Aldi, very inexpensive, around about $15, and they're very, very comfortable. They fit inside your glove quite easily, and if it is too warm, you can take them out and still have a comfortable ride rather than having sweaty hands. Well, that's my quick introduction to my gloves. I hope I've given you some help. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thank you.